But some of them are actually very good at putting up a show. You don't know what.
No. A show now is different from misuse. Look at Peter and Paul. This thing really affected their careers.
Yes.
Those times where they were having controversy between themselves, and then they will go online.
Putting it
If
online.
me and you get issue, Mama, mo go settle this thing now. It's our closet. Must we take it online? And it has happened to even celebrities who are married to each other.
But they use it to chase clout.
Yes.
No, don't forget.
Yes,
the clouds are coming.
Yes.
But what is it doing to your career?
Some don't mind.
Yes.
They'll tell
You
you
have to be out
any
there.
publicity is
Good
a publicity.
or bad,
Oh,
yes.
man.
They feel
And
like
at the end of the day, irrespective of the fact that it's a publicity, they go into depression at the end of the day. When the dudes don't work in their favor anymore, Abi, and then they are now going. Most of them are now committing suicide. Some of
they're
them are now going
testing
back to
the
their
waters.
closet.
You
Do you understand?
see,
If
because people believe that
Yeah.
bad publicity actually sells faster than good publicity.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So that is why you see people that even pay influencers to drag them.
Yes.